how are you? And welcome back to my channel. So today it's a very special video. So I am sure you might be having a girlfriend or a sister or कोई ना कोई लड़की तो definitely you have in your group, right? और the best part is we always carry our bags. और लड़कों तुम लोग को हमेशा लगता है हमारी bags में क्या होता है, like कोई खुफिया खजाना or something like that. So you know what? Today I'm going to reveal what's there in my bag. So yeah, here I am, and yeah, it's gonna be a very special and a very sweet and short video. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, well, so first of all, I just want to show this very. So first of all, I just want to show this very beautiful bag that I've got. I don't remember from where, but yes. I just really like the texture and the color. It's just like the basic one. So yes, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna keep it over here, and let's just start with the first thing. So obviously I'm working, so the very first thing is my laptop. I really need it like 24/7. If you're with me, you definitely know that I'm gonna carry my laptop no matter wherever I go. Even if I'm going for a shopping, just for a mall or something, I'm gonna carry that stuff. So yes, I really love it. So yeah. Okay, well, so first of all, I just want to show this very. So first of all, I just want to show this very beautiful bag that I've got. I don't remember from where, but yes. I just really like the texture and the color. It's just like the basic one. So yes, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna keep it over here, and let's just start with the first thing. So obviously I'm working, so the very first thing is my laptop. I really need it like 24/7. If you're with me, you definitely know that I'm gonna carry my laptop no matter wherever I go. Even if I'm going for a shopping, just for a mall or something, I'm gonna carry that stuff. So yes, I really love it. So yeah. So we're gonna keep it aside, and then let's just see. And here we come with our basic specs. I've got this from Lenskart because obviously I have power. So, but we never know कब हमें कहीं जाना पड़ जाए घूमने के लिए और any unexpected trip. So yeah, we need to be travel ready, guys, right? So yeah, this is the basic one, but I really like it because I mean, I don't know, I just like it, the cat eye type. So yeah, I'm gonna keep all my stuff over here, and let's just see. And then my another phone, this is like I really love this phone, and please just avoid this pink cover, but I really like it, a bit glittery, and yeah, but I am really obsessed with red and pink. Like if you know me, or meanwhile when we get to know each other, you guys would know that I can't just resist the red color. Like if you're see anywhere in the shop or the mall or anything, and if it's really good, even if it's oversized, I'll just buy it. Like I'm talking about the clothes. So yeah, but still, like this is a very sweet, you can see, glittery one. So yeah, then I'm not really fond of novels and all, but this is a book like Life's Amazing Secrets, and I've been going through quite a tough time. Not really a tough time, but yes, we always have that time where we are confused in our life. So one of my friend gifted me, and I've just been reading this for a while now, and it's really good. Like if you are actually a bit confused in your life, you know what, I suggest you should just read something meaningful, and it kind of help you out or calm yourself, So yes, then what we have is obviously a water bottle, because दिल्ली में गर्मी बहुत है यार. Like you need the water, like चाहिए आपको, like it's much needed. So what's next? Can you guess? Obviously लड़कों हम obviously it happens कि we do carry our wallets and all. It's not like we always gonna let you pay. So yes, that time has gone where girls never used to pay. But as a person, I generally prefer that if I'm out with someone, either we split the bill or at least I should if until it's not person that I'm not dating or something, then it's fine. Like it's okay. Otherwise, I prefer to pay my own bills. So yes. Then what we have, then it comes the basic one. Like we all girls love makeup. Yeah. How can you just expect that we're not having our basic things? So this is a Fit Me foundation that I have with me. So yeah. Well then, obviously, you need to charge your phone because obviously you're gonna cannot live without phone. Yeah, like आप रह ही नहीं सकते. So I carry one for my laptop and one for obviously my phone. So yeah. And then what we have next? So I'm gonna keep it over here. So So then this another, like I'm not really fond of eye makeup much, but yes, at times I really love to keep it a bit simple, a little bit glittery. Depends on the occasion whether I have to go somewhere. So yeah, I sometimes do carry it. Then obviously the lipstick. So this is from one of the famous brands. And it's been gifted by one of the special friends I have in my life. So yes, I carry it. I just try not to use it because I don't want it to finish it. But I just love this lipstick. So yes. Then we have another one. This is a matte one, and I even love this one. It's from Jacqueline USA, and it's called as Mad About Matte. So yeah, it's really good. Like gives you very nice feel. In fact, I'm wearing it right now, so you can just see. It's really nice. Even the texture and everything. You don't even feel like यार मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है और बहुत over हो गया है. No, it's just very natural. So yeah, at least as per my skin. So yeah. Then obviously you do carry face wash. You never know. Well then, calm. It's much needed because if you're a girl, you never want to, mess up your hair, and obviously, हो जाता है कभी-कभी. So you really need to, keep everything in place. So yeah. Well, what we have next is another specs. These are the reading specs, or maybe when I use for my laptop or something, or even generally because I cannot see it very clearly, like it's very blurry. So I have got the power now, so I am supposed to use it 24/7, but I can't. So yeah. Well then last we have a contour kit. So yeah, obviously why not? Who doesn't love contour? A little bit of blush. So yes. And then a headset, like I'm not really fond of those, I just forgot what we call it, like the one we used to keep it just an hour, like the small one, just forgot the name somehow, but I just feel कि यार वो कहीं ना कहीं गुम हो जाएंगे, and then I don't know, I just don't like to कि मेरी चीज़ें गुम हो जाएं. So yes, I just carry these ones so that these are hanging in my neck. And I can feel it that yes, something is there. So yes, and then yeah, kajal and an eyeliner, at least a basic kajal. Like I feel a foundation or even a BB cream or the kajal, and just a glossy lipstick or something, or even a lip balm. I guess that's all you need sometimes, and you are good to go for your even for your daily look. So yes, I do carry this few things. I don't carry the whole makeup, but yes, the basic stuff for me. So yes, and yeah, some of the these earrings and other stuff, this girlish stuff. So yes, I do carry this, and yeah, I guess that's all. Really, that's really all. It's like I didn't carry much of it. Like मेरे बैग में वैसे बहुत कुछ आ जाता है, so you don't have to think that why इतना ही है. I have lots of space. I have still there, and I can just like squeeze in. And yes, I actually forgot. I somehow ate it. So I always have a sandwich or a chocolate or something in my bag because I love dark chocolates. I love it, So I always keep it whenever I feel like a urge to have something sweet, or whenever I'm in a bad mood, angry or sad, whatever it is. I prefer to have even a small bag, and it's all gone. So yes, that's all about me. That's all about what's in my bag. And yes, see you in the another video. If you like the video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe it. Why not? Don't you want to see me in another video, guys? So come on, just like it, share it, and subscribe it. See you in another one. Bye.